Hello there. We are going to walk through this geometry problem together. If you are preparing for WAEC, JAMB, or NECO, remember that QandA at QandAHelp.com is an excellent platform for your examination preparation. For WAEC 2026, question 24, we have isosceles triangle MNP. Sides MN and MP measure 26 centimeters, and base NP is 20 centimeters. To find the area, 1/2 times base times height, we have the base, but the vertical height is missing. Without this vertical measurement, we cannot use the formula immediately. We need to find the height ourselves using the properties of the triangle. To find the height, we draw a perpendicular line from vertex M down to the base, NP. This creates a right angle. Because the triangle is symmetrical, this vertical line divides the base into two equal halves. The 20 centimeter base is now two 10 centimeter segments. By drawing this line, we have created two right-angled triangles that allow us to calculate the height. Let's isolate the right triangle. It has a base of 10, a hypotenuse of 26, and an unknown height, h. Using Pythagoras' theorem, the equation is h squared plus 10 squared equals 26 squared. Squaring gives 676 and 100. Subtracting h squared equals 576. The square root is 24, so our height is 24 centimeters. You might recognize this as a 5, 12, 13 triangle ratio multiplied by 2. Noticing these patterns helps you work faster. Now that we have the height of 24 centimeters, we can finish the area calculation for the original triangle. When calculating the final area, remember to use the original base of 20 centimeters, not the 10 centimeter segment. We substitute our values back into the area formula. 1/2 times the base of 20 times our calculated height of 24. Half of 20 is 10, and 10 times 24 gives us 240 square centimeters. This result matches option A. Checking that you are using the correct base for the final step is a helpful way to avoid common calculation errors. Try this method yourself. Here is an isosceles triangle with equal sides of 13 centimeters and a base of 10 centimeters. Pause the video and calculate the area. Let's see the steps. The base splits to 5, and Pythagoras gives a height of 12. 1/2 times 10 times 12 results in an area of 60 square centimeters. Here is one more. With equal sides of 10 and a base of 16, the base splits to 8. Pythagoras gives a height of 6, leading to an area of 48 square centimeters. Practicing these steps helps you become familiar with the relationship between the base, height, and area in isosceles triangles. To summarize, first split the base in half. Then use Pythagoras' theorem to find the height. Finally, calculate area using the full original base. Following this logical sequence helps you stay organized while solving geometry problems. Subscribe for more tutorials and visit QandA at QandAHelp.com for more examination resources. See you in the next lesson.